Hello friends, welcome to the video number 5 for the Python 3 series for no programmers. And well, I'm still not very good of my voice, but we'll see how this goes. I'm thinking this is gonna be a pretty short video. It's just, well, in the previous video we talked about the arithmetic operations, and well, in this video I want to show you that there is an abbreviation or a condensed way of doing at least the four basic arithmetic operations, right? Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And well, I just want to show you how you can do that. Um, we have not talked about variables yet, but well, it's a very simple concept, and we're gonna get into that probably in a couple of videos. And well, here I'm just gonna create a variable. I'm gonna call it n, and I'm gonna store there the value 7. So if I ask Python, okay, what is n? Python is gonna tell me is 7. Of course, I can do the print or use the print function for n, and it's gonna tell me 7. But again, we can just say n, enter, and Python tells me inside of n you have the value 7 stored in it. Now, much later on in the course, we're gonna talk about the how to use loops to to repeat a block of code. And in this case, I'm gonna make a very quick example. I'm gonna create another variables, call it call it I. I'm mixing Spanish and English. Sorry. I equals 1, and then we're gonna say while I is less or equal to 10, then print. We can print whatever we want, but in this case, I just want to print the value of that variable of I. And then right now I just have an infinite loop, right? Because I is never gonna be greater than 10, so I gotta make that variable change. And so it's very common to say I equals the same variable plus 1, right? So now I get the list 1 to 10. So how can we do this arithmetic operation in a condensed way? Well, I'm gonna go back to n, and I'm just gonna say n plus equals 7. So what is the value of n now? Well, it is 14. Okay. Um, we can do the same thing for subtraction. Let's take away those 7. So what is n now? It's 7 again. We can do it for multiplication. So now n is 49. And division. Now here with the division, I used floating point division. So now Python is going to convert my number to a floating point number, right? Here are just integers. It's 7, 14, 49. All of them are integers. So now here the 7 that I get back is a floating point 7. Um, and well, let's do this again. I'm gonna make I equals 1 again. And so now I'm gonna say I plus equals 1, and I get the exact same result. And of course I can do it with well, n is 7, I is 11, so I can use it with variables n plus equals I. So what is n now? Is 18, of course is 7, and I is 11. Now you can see, even with this addition, we are combining a floating point number with an integer, so the result is a floating point number. Um, so well, basically that's it. Just wanted to show you how you can write in a condensed way the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And well, we took a little the advantage of this example to see how Python converts integers to floating point numbers, right? In cases like this. Again, when you use the division, or let's say the regular division, you're gonna get a floating point number. I could have used the integer division. Remember, we said that I is 11, so I can say I divided by 5, and I get the integer result. Uh, but well, here even when we are adding, and in this case we combine a floating point with an integer, my result is going to be a floating point. Okay, so well, that's basically it for this video. As always, I hope that you find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and well, I hope to see you on the next video.